Welcome to our DXN product launch event. Discover the power of DXN's health and wellness product. Experience a world of natural goodness with DXN. Join us as we unveil our latest innovations. Embrace wellness with DXN. Explore our flagship product designed to elevate your health journey. Unlock the potential of your well-being through DXN's premium products line. Get ready our transformations. Step into a realm of vitality and wellness with DXN. Witness the future of holistic health solutions. DXN invites you to redefine your health goals. Explore a range of products tailored for your well-being needs. Indulge in the excellence of DXN's health offerings. Elevate your life with our cutting-edge wellness solutions. Join us on a journey towards optimal health and vitality. DXN, your partner in holistic well-beings. Immerse yourself in the world of DXN's health innovations. Experience a new era of well-being like never before. Discover the magic of DXN's wellness creations. Enhance your lifestyle with our premium products. Witness the synergy of nature and science in DXN's revolutionary products lineup. Transform your health journey today. Explore a universe of wellness possibilities with DXN. Elevate your well-being with our exceptional products range.
DXN World for you. Watch and subscribe. Thank you.